Told you. Questionable taste in decor doesn't make you a murderer. Do you even know where you're going?
Tadi biji kona jadi presiden.
If you're such an expert.
Was that the bite of 87? Shut your fucking mouth!
Parents.
What are you doing?
I thought it was on site.
Shut your fucking mouth!
Really? Me, Sneak Whiter? You just killed us.
Shut your fucking mouth!
Hello, neighbor?
Ya yatim goblok manling tolol anjing.
Bocah kontol suara bukan itu anjing.
Ka Jawa anjing naon eta bahasa medok itu anjing kampungan.
Here.
Why are you stopping? Get in here!
Shut your fucking mouth! What's wrong? Am I too fast for ya?
Sa Blackpink dodol kripik, tarik, slap, bew.